In Zoho Books, you don't have to rely solely on your browser's back button to revisit previous pages. Instead, you can use the Recent History panel for a smoother experience. To access it, click on the sidebar on the left or check the header at the top depending on your layout. This panel shows a list of pages you've recently visited in your current session. Simply scroll through the list and click on the page you want to return to. This feature is especially useful if you're switching between invoices, reports, or other modules, as it helps you navigate quickly without losing track of your work. Using the Recent History panel reduces errors, saves time, and keeps your workflow seamless. In short, the Recent History panel acts like a personal navigation tool, letting you go back to any page you recently accessed with just a click. Happy navigating in Zoho Books.